I'm back with you. Finally got the GoPro, and I just want to show y'all what I got, and I want y'all to stick along with me, and we're gonna make this thing look good. So check this out. It's a 1990 Dodge D150. It's a 2-owner truck. I did a little cleaning on the outside. I still gotta buff out the paint. There's still a little bit of swirl marks and all that. We're gonna bring y'all on for the grill and headlights. I'm gonna get some headlights for it. But it's a mint condition truck. It's pretty clean. Got the wheels. I'm gonna get some different wheels, but these come stock on these trucks, which they're not bad. They're really pitted, and if you can see right there, we might try to spoof them up some too. But yeah, I'm gonna clean the toolbox up. It's got oxidation. You can see where I started there, just playing with it. And it is the electronic fuel injection. Show y'all the inside, and we'll take a look at the engine. I don't know if y'all can see that too good, but there we go. Everything works as it should on it. It's got 125,000 miles on it. I still got to bolt these down. He took those off. I'm not sure why. But door panels are in good shape. Pop this hood, let y'all check that out too. Pretty clean. And my goal today is taking the I want to clean up in here. There's gunk. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's gunk and all kinds of stuff in there. So I'm gonna take the throttle body off and all this off, and I might take the valve covers off and see if I can get them cleaned up any better than they are. And that's what I want to do today on it. So I'll get right back with y'all whenever I get my tools ready. Alright, I got these loose. Check these out. $500 down and you make it $2,000 per month. Our lender can get you a pro at the world famous Open Kia. In case some of y'all didn't know, I am a detailer as well. But I'm gonna bring y'all along because I love working on cars, and just bring you along some things I do. You know, I got a bunch of animals like goats and chickens and turkeys and all that stuff, and I like to fish. I mean, I used to hunt, but I came to myself and I like more hunting or more fishing than I do hunting. So I might bring you along with some of that, and it's mostly gonna be this truck. My plan is making it a show truck, taking to some car shows, and nothing big, but just give me something to do. Can't stand sitting in the house.
This on right here. This on. It's about to take me a minute. I've never taken this off, so I'm just trying to figure out what we got here. Let me get this throttle body off and I'll get back with you.
Pretty bad inside. Don't mind the dogs. They're everywhere. We're going to try again. Alright, that's it. I'm going to put this back on. That's going to be the end of this video. So if you like it, like, comment, subscribe, and I got plenty more videos to come on this truck. Thank you, and have a good day.